NodeJS Backend API Tutorial App. The pros, the cons. NodeJS Backend API Tutorial App is designed to teach developers how to build fast and scalable server-side applications. Most people get this wrong by relying on synchronous operations or traditional backend frameworks, but here's the surprising truth. Nodel's non-blocking architecture makes it ideal for handling multiple requests efficiently. A major pro of this app is its step-by-step approach to creating RESTful APIs. You learn how to set up Express servers, handle routes, and connect to databases like MongoDB or PostgreSQL. For example, it teaches how to implement CRUD operations with minimal code while ensuring best practices for security and error handling. Another advantage is its focus on real-world applications. You won't believe how quickly you can build authentication systems, data endpoints, and even integrate third-party APIs while learning essential Nodes features like middleware and asynchronous programming. The app also includes advanced topics such as authentication, error handling, and API versioning, preparing you to develop professional-grade backends. It even offers debugging strategies and performance tips for handling high-traffic applications. On the downside, asynchronous programming can be challenging for beginners. However, the app explains concepts like promises and async await with clear examples and practical exercises, making complex topics more approachable. In conclusion, NodeJS Backend API Tutorial App is perfect for developers aiming to master backend development. By providing structured lessons, real-world projects, and advanced techniques, it equips you with the skills to build efficient, secure, and scalable APIs for modern web applications.